How to fix TikTok favorite sound not showing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. At the top search bar, type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here like mine, tap onto update. Now check if it solved your problem. If it still does not solve your problem, go onto your Settings app, scroll below and tap onto Apps, search for TikTok, tap onto it and go on to Storage. Here, clear the cache, and once done, tap on Clear Data. But please be notified that deleting your data will delete all your files, settings, and account databases. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on to delete. If not, tap on to cancel. Go onto your TikTok and check if it works. If it's still not working for you, then you need to uninstall your TikTok application. Long tap onto it and tap on to uninstall. Once you have installed the application, reinstall it, and before you do that, restart your device. Once you do so, this shall fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.